Star chart book cost conjectures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030 in a by and large significant way. We here especially will in every practical sense give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Star chart book, map book in an unpretentious way. The Star Map book has rapidly certainly acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers in every practical sense are interested in looking through the inquiries like is Star chart book, map book, a wise speculation, or so they certainly thought. Is map book most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? Which essentially is very critical. How high can Star Map book go? Our aid will generally provide you with a thought of the Star Map book expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to principal extremely past cost graphs in an especially significant manner. Star Map book sort of past value investigation, which is very huge. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Star chart book, map book, is $0.009, and chart book is at present essentially position number 623 in the exceptionally whole crypto market amazingly. The course supply of chart book for the most part is $2,160,000,000, with a market cap of $20,216,419 in most recent 24 hours. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been somewhere near 0.71% in its in every way that really matters current cost esteem amazingly. In the event that we look at the 24-hour market cap of the Star Map book with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise in descending pattern in an unpretentious way. Star chart book is as yet confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout. The map book really is down to nearly 34.25% over the most recent 7 days. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past kind of couple of days. The coin could fundamentally areas of strength for have however. We don't basically believe that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which for the most part is genuinely huge, notwithstanding, after the contrasting the ongoing cost esteem in truly beyond 30 days cost history. It is seen that Star chart book has expanded 58.65% in its cost esteem, which essentially is very huge. The typical especially lease cost for the 1 month in a real sense is $0.004, while greatest normal cost was $0.004, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for essentially long haul, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change is around 67.83%, and the cost coursed from a sort of least typical worth of $0.003 to really greatest normal worth of $0.004 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In most recent 4 months Star chart book basically has shown a developing pattern, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we imagine that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As indicated by the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Star chart book generally is expanded from 4 months, which fundamentally is very huge. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost in a significant manner. The coin is up by 68.16% with the most extreme in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin was around $0.003, and the especially least typical cost of truly was around $0.002 and genuinely beyond 4 months, which is very huge. Star chart book value figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We in every practical sense foresee future chart book cost expectations Star chart book estimates by applying profound especially fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Star Map book in a kind of huge manner. We give a valiant effort to by and large gather especially most extreme verifiable information for the chart book coin, which especially incorporate especially numerous elements like pretty past value, market cap, volume, and in every way that really matters, more in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you sort of are looking to basically put resources into cryptographic money market, make a point to especially peruse our expectations, which in every practical sense is very critical. Star chart book value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of Star chart book is supposed to generally reach at a kind of least value level of $0.009. essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The map book cost can arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $0.010, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.010 in an unobtrusive manner. Star chart book value expectation for 2024. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of star map book especially is anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least worth of $0.014. Incredibly, the map book cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.016, with the really normal exchanging cost of $0.015. Star map book value gauge 2025-2026. The cost of star chart book is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.020 in 2025, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The star map book cost can truly arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0.025, with the typical cost of $0.020 all through 2025, which is very huge. The cost of star map book is generally anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.029 in 2026. The star map book cost can arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0.034, with the typical cost of $0.030 all through 2026 in a significant manner. Chart book value expectation for 2027. Star chart book cost essentially is figured to explicitly arrive at a sort of the most reduced degree of $0.043 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the chart book cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.050, with the kind of typical gauge cost of $0.044. Map book value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of chart book, in 2028, the cost of star map book generally is determined to really be at around a very least worth of $0.062. The star chart book value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a truly limit of $0.074, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.064 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Star map book value expectation for 2029. The cost of one star chart book, map book, is supposed to reach at a kind of least degree of $0.089 in 2029. Really, as opposed to mainstream thinking, the chart book cost can especially arrive at a very greatest degree of $0.11, with the genuinely normal cost of $0.092 all through 2029. Star chart book value expectation conjecture for 2030. According to the estimate and profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of star chart book most certainly is supposed to explicitly reach at the very least value worth of 14 cents, truly in spite of mainstream thinking.